Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I am going to be showing you how to open up the task manager for Windows 11. So let's get it started. Now there are multiple ways of doing it, but the most popular way is by clicking on the Windows key, which is located between the Control key and the Alt key on the left side of your keyboard, which opens up the screen right here. Obviously, your pinned apps and your recommended apps will be different, but what you can do is you can type in task manager right here, and you'll have best match task manager system, and you can just click on it and it will open up your task manager where you can see your CPU usage, your memory usage, your disk usage, your network usage, as well as your GPU usage. So that is one way to open up the task manager on Windows 11. However, there's also another way of doing it, which is a lot faster, which is just going to your taskbar, right-clicking, and clicking on the dedicated task manager button. As you can see, it takes you to the exact same screen, you have the exact same information, and it's just a lot more useful, just because it's faster, it's more versatile. So yeah, that is how to open up the Task Manager for Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Peace.